Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that there are several bad news on the market, and the market has to digest this. Therefore, we can see this weaker performance. And I couldn't do proper videos during the week because I was at the AIBC conference from Monday to Wednesday. So let's talk about a couple of things what happened this week and actually recently. Then news is that, and great news actually, to be honest with you, Mastercard enables non-custodial crypto spending with its new partner. That could be something interesting. Then let's talk about banks and banks facing difficulties to serve their crypto clients because we have the regulators and they don't, let the banks do it just so easily. I think this is also something we should talk about. Then we have Canada, another 25 basis point rate cut, and this wasn't the first one for them. Question is what going to do the Fed in September now in a couple of days, in 13, what's that? 13 days, kind of. We have the FOMC meeting. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, very simple. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. Don't forget, if you would like to use a great exchange, you have Bybit here, for example, with many altcoins, and you can trade as you really would like to in many different kind of styles, and you get 10% discount on trading fees in the first 30 days when you join with the link below. And also you can have up to $30,000 bonus. So you can use that link and get all these advantages. And now, for start, let's have a look at the market. So we can see that Bitcoin is 1.6% down the last 24 hours, 56,569 US dollar. Ethereum 2.5% down, 2,375 US dollar. When we're looking at the top gainers, Helium up 6%, Bitcoin SV almost 3%, and Dogs 2.3, so no major moves. Mantra is down 7.5%, Aptos 7%, and BitTensor is down almost 6%. And when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, yes, we still can see these kind of sideways movements in this. Yeah, I mean, this is what we're witnessing for a while. And when we actually move this one, where are we? Yeah, one day further, 138 days from the halving. And when we're looking at history, as I said a couple of times before, between 160 and 180 days is the time when the market starts to move. So we still have days until that, if history kind of repeats. But so far, yeah, just doing this kind of movement, what we have seen for a long time. And well, don't forget, September is the worst month when it comes to performance of Bitcoin. We had 3 years since 2013 when it was positive, right? All the other years, it was in red. On the other hand, after that, October, the best month. With February, to be honest with you, for Bitcoin. So it looks promising. What will happen, we don't know, but this is the statistics what we have. Yes, we have uncertainty in the market, and the fear is at 29, yesterday 27. So actually, yeah, people, panicking a bit. And now let's talk about a couple of the bad news, what have appeared in the last couple of days and even recently. So what is causing this? So one of them, I think, definitely is Bank of Japan. And if you remember, it wasn't long ago when Bank of Japan introduced an interest rate hike. So totally opposite what we expect from the other countries. And because of this, the yen gets stronger compared to the US dollar and making problems with carry trade. And if you remember, the market just dumped because of this. And now it came out that the Bank of Japan governor hints at more rate hikes coming. So didn't say exactly when, but probably more rate hikes are coming, which will more even damage this kind of carry trade. And in that case, that could put a sell pressure on the US stock market, for example, and it can cause problems. So this is one reason why it doesn't look too promising. Nikkei also, as you can see, recently dumped. And we have other news, layoffs jumped in August and hitting their highest in total for a month in 15 years. That's a big record, to be honest with you, long time. While we had year-to-date hiring hits the lowest, in 19 years, according to Challenger Gray and Christmas survey. And this is a year-to-date data. So this is not really good. But to be honest with you, on the other hand, we have heard several times from Jerome Powell that they looking for this, bad numbers when they start to, do their interest rate cuts. Therefore, it's a big possibility they do it in this September, on the 18th of September. So that's pretty bad. And we had Arthur Hayes, who is actually the co-founder and of the crypto exchange BitMEX. And he says that Bitcoin can go down to 50,000, and that would put actually a bigger pressure on altcoins, which actually can go down further, and they already not in a good position. I don't know what you think about this. You can let me know in the comment section. So these kind of things put Bitcoin and the crypto market in the fear category at the moment, and therefore we can see the price movement, what we actually witnessing right now. But I have also other news, which is actually quite interesting. Mastercard's new partnership enables non-custody crypto spending. So let's talk about that. So right now, what you can do when you have a crypto credit debit card, then you actually can spend your crypto, but for that you have to store it on, for example, a centralized exchange. Now, Mastercard's new partnership with Mercurio makes it possible to use a non-custodial crypto wallet and spending your crypto from there. And with this, you are able to purchase products from more than 100 million merchants from worldwide. And according to this news, it's going to be an euro-dominated crypto debit card. So I think this is interesting. And to be honest with you, crypto to have good use cases and make it easy for crypto to for users easy to use crypto, that's very important. And people keeping it on exchange and all these kind of things, they skeptical about that. When it's crypto, obviously self-custody. So a non-custodial crypto spending sounds like good to me, but how it will work out, all these things, it's coming. But this is the news which just came out. Right. Next one. Let's talk about the regulations and banks and crypto, because that's, I think, also an interesting topic. So yes, the idea that bank clients can easily, get into crypto through the bank and all these kind of things, it doesn't look that easy, to be honest with you. First of all, US banking regulator calls for stronger oversight of crypto risks. And another one here, Fed hits Texas Bank with cease and desist over servicing crypto firms. So as you can see, they have their own banking sector, they have their own regulations, and they would like to have this control. So to do it through a bank and all these kind of things, it's not that easy. And I think we're going to face difficulties in, on-ramp, off-ramp in crypto when it comes to banks. So even when you have crypto, to have some, it's pretty good if you would like to do some free moves if, they challenge you with this. I don't know what you think about this, but I think that's also something which we should think about when we invest in crypto. Okay, and then we have Canada. In Canada, they made another 25 basis point rate cut. So Canada made another 25 basis point rate cut, and actually with this they have done 75 basis points. And actually the UK have done 25, China 25, EU 25, Denmark 25. So probably Fed is next this month. And when we're looking at the statistics, we can see that the 25 basis point chance is 55%. Why? For the 50 basis point chance, we have 45%. The question is, if they do 50 basis points, will this actually cause some panic on the market? So because the Fed start to react, very strongly. But if they do 25, will this be enough? So many questions here. Yeah, we're going to see it, but this is the new direction probably where countries are going, except Japan, because they going only into the other directions. And yeah, well, what else? Oh, quickly, we can check out the inflows, outflows when it comes to ETFs, Bitcoin spot ETF first. You can see that actually here on BlackRock, this was the second day since for 11th of January, they had outflow. But, when you're looking at others, BlackRock, no inflow, no outflow, for example, on the 3rd of September, but many outflows here. As you can see, Fidelity doing quite a big chunk, and that's for the total number. This is also a sign, this is a reason why the market is dumping, seeing these reactions from the Bitcoin ETFs. When we're looking at actually Ethereum ETFs, it's not a great success so far. Look at, it's like totally 0 days. And yeah, not too much is happening here so far. It doesn't look any similar to the start of a Bitcoin spot ETF. So guys, pretty much that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day, you're getting fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. If you subscribe, because then you're getting the video as soon as it is out, I mean the notification about it. So it's worth to subscribe because I'm making, short videos every single day and these longer videos between Monday and Thursday. And yeah, pretty much that's it. If you like it, definitely hit the like button. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.